side of the fence are you on? The manual transmission side or the automatic? Which do you think is better? Because it's not going to be in this video. This video is about what driving stick means to me and why I like it. And make sure to leave comments down below and let me know why you like driving stick, or if I'm just crazy, you know, you can tell me that. I really don't mind.
Whatever it takes, 'cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it
You're gonna have to forgive me. I have not had the header stud done yet. So that's why you're gonna hear the tractor engine until I get up into the higher RPMs. But driving stick to me isn't like what most people say. It's not about, oh, I love the control, I love the sound, I love how fast I can shift, because I'll tell you what, nothing can do it like a computer. It gives me something to do. Yes, I do like that. Let's face it, driving stick is an extension of your personality. It's another way for you to put a signature to your car when you drive. It announces you. It's who you are. How you shift describes your personality as a driver, pretty much. I mean, look at the difference between how Mia shifts and how I shift. Mia loves slamming gears, getting through them as quick as possible, shifting to the next one as quick as possible. Every, you know, engagement point, engagement point, engagement point. Because that's just how she likes it. That's what she likes to do. She loves the sound, the way it revs down, and you force it to rev down. That's what she likes. Me, I like the rhythmic, slow shifting of gears, transitions between long periods of neutral, and allowing the engine to rev down on its own and drop back into where it needs to be in the RPM range to match the next gear. So I guess you could call it passive rev matching, right?
Yeah.
Now, another point is the skill factor. The skill factor of pulling out. Like right there, you'll notice I just pulled out. I didn't really take it rev or do anything. I just pulled out. A skill that most people don't have when driving stick. Most people will romp it, rev it, do all sorts of stuff to make it happen. I like the fact that I can control what I do, what I want to do. Well, this actually could be slick right here. I like the fact that I can control every aspect of my vehicle. And a lot of people don't like that. A lot of people just like to get in and go. I also love rev matching. There's nothing quite like slamming through gears at high RPMs and coming to a turn and having to downshift quickly and smoothly so that you don't lose balance in the turn. The noise, the sound, the feeling, everything of knowing you hit it right, hit it, you know, it's just amazing. Something as simple as most people that drive stick, you're going to recognize this right now. The perfect shift. Not even slamming gears, not even getting in it to win it. Just pulling out and hitting second gear and just feeling your car want to scoot out from underneath you gently. That feeling right there, hitting the perfect shift and the perfect RPM and the perfect torque, just so that you can feel it. It is something that's great. I always get surprised when I hear engine propelling forward without dropping the front end. It's a great feeling. I love it. It's not because I can shift faster than a computer or a bunch of wires sending electronic to a solenoid, blah, 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 all that agony schmackety, depending on what transmission you have. It's not because I don't like paddle shifters, which that controversy right there gets to me. I really don't like paddle the steering wheel. What do you think?
No.
I like them on the actual column itself, where they stay where I know they're going to be. But anyway, that's off the topic. It's not because I don't have anything to do, because this is where my hand's going to be regardless. Even in an automatic transmission, my hand's down here. The only time my hand's not down there is when I'm doing some really sketchy shit and I need to have both hands on the steering wheel. But other than that, this is my comfort zone right here. I don't spend a lot of time taking and shifting. It all comes down to the I know it's there if I have it. I get to rev down. I don't, you know, for example, when I pass someone, I don't have to wait for my transmission to kick down. I can already be ready in that gear. Is your gearing is a torque multiplier, okay? So basically, whatever you're rated at the flywheel is going to be multiplied through the transmission. A lot of people don't look at it and view it that way. And when it comes to wintertime, like me, I drive this all year round because it's my car, it's my only daily driver, and that's what I do, alright? In slick conditions, you don't always have to pull out in first. So if I know that the roads ahead of me are going to be really icy, I can take and make sure that I'm in the right gear to lessen the torque that's placed on that slick road out of my rear wheels. But when I pull out, if I'm sliding all over the place pulling out, I can either quick shift to the next gear and lower the torque, or I can just pull out in the next highest gear and lower the torque and just pull out. It's control that you wouldn't have with an automatic. Now nowadays you can go into sport shift and you can do that, but the majority of automatic transmissions you're not going to be able to do that with. And I have control over it. Now the one thing that sucks is the moment that you have to shift down, that's going to take it and cause problems. Now that'll happen with an automatic transmission as well too. Sometimes you may push the pedal a little too far and it shifts down, and that's it. That's where you're going to be, sliding backwards down a big hill or something like that. In manual, I don't have to worry about that. I control the shift. Is there times that I feel that I wish I had an automatic? Yes.
No.
Yes. Long drive? Yeah, definitely want an automatic for a long drive. I mean, you'll need it, but it'd be nice. Rush hour traffic. Hell yes. I would love to have an automatic for rush hour. We were looking at that Lexus IS 250 all-wheel drive.
Manumatic,
We were looking at it.
I'm still dreaming about that bitch, so.
I'll tell you what. Manual transmission, though, is a lot easier to work on and take and maintain than having a manumatic or an automatic transmission. I looked into some of those automatic transmissions, and some of them, especially Nissan, holy crap, are they weird. Someone was on huge amounts of methamphetamines when they took and created these things. I mean, it was like the guy that first invented chess, except they were working on a transmission.
Some cars aren't even available in an automatic transmission.
Which brings us to another point. It's nice to be able to drive something that not everyone can drive. I can park this somewhere, usually in the hood, and not have to worry about someone running off with my car, because most people can't drive stick.
That's another thing I like, is cranking up that e-brake to park. I guess you could do it with an automatic, but it has more purpose. Definitely has more purpose.
Not in this car. I gotta adjust my brake
yeah,
cable.
that's true.
But anyways, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the comments below to let me know what you think of some of the suggestions and reasons that I had. And make sure you give a thumbs up. It makes her happy. She likes thumbs.